Remember this.
I can't. Yeah, I cannot turn the wheel.
Go to the other side and pull.
Don't prevent forest fires. Break the friggin' steering.
Yeah.
Hard.
Go. I think you're out of turning that way.
What's around me?
What?
Alright.
How you gonna steer?
Something right out of the movie. Oh, it's all set now?
No, where's the horn I got?
No, you're gonna drive it. Don't worry about the horn. Get in and drive. Let's get out of here. I need my gun. He's going with the car.
Well,
Where's the rest of the damn?
I got nothing to say. Scott,
Yeah.
let's see your piece.
What? What?
It's a nice piece you got there.
Thank you.
Hey, you're gonna have to show me what to do to start this and shut it off.
You gotta jump it.
Yeah,
I don't
push
care.
start it.
Jumping, it's easy, but
There is no shutting it off. Drop it off at Jeremy's.
no, I can't do that.
Yeah, pop the clutch there.
Let's get back to Walmart. I want to get out of the woods.
Oh man, my phone's still there? Yep. Any last words for the camera there?
This sucks.
Anything else?
Hope you all enjoyed my movie.
What are you doing now?
Taking apart the horn assembly. There we go. No more horn.
That's all, folks.